AI video generators are now breaking the internet, and Kling AI is one of the best AI video generators. Day by day, Kling AI keeps updating its capabilities. Recently, it launched its latest and most capable version called Kling 2.0 Master, which can generate clearer and more realistic videos. The new version of Kling AI can generate more dynamic movement and also follows real-world physics. Today, I'm going to test the new Kling 2.0 Master. If you already have a paid plan for Kling AI, then you can access this new version easily. As I am a heavy user of AI video generators along with other AI tools, I will access the new AI video generator model on the ChatLLM team by Abacus AI. If you don't know about ChatLLM, then it's a multi-LLM model hub where you can access all the premium LLMs like GPT, Claude, Meta, Grok, Gemini, and others. You can generate images, voiceovers, videos, and many more on just one platform. And all of these are only for $10 per month. If you're new to the ChatLLM team, I will put the link in the description box. Just head over there and click on the Get Started button from here and create an account. Once you are logged in, your interface will look like this. Okay, here at the top of the page, you can change the LLM models. You will find 23 LLMs here. However, as I will try Kling 2.0, I won't dive deep here. To access the video generator, come to the prompt box. Here, under the prompt box, you will find some options to create content. Click on More, and you will find some more tools. Select the Video Gen tool from here to generate videos. The video generator pop-up will appear. First of all, we have to select the video generator model. Not only Kling 2.0, you can access almost all the powerful and popular video generators like Luma AI, Kling AI V1.6, V2, Runway, Hunayun, Wan, and even Veo 2. I am selecting the Kling AI V2 model. Okay, after selecting the video generator model, if you have the start frame reference image for the video, you can upload it here. I will try this image to video generator later. This time I will focus on the text to video generator. So coming to the prompt box, start typing the prompt. Let's start with the very basics. I am simply typing, "Woman emerging from water." It's a very basic prompt. Let's see how it works with it. After entering the prompt, you can enhance the prompt using AI. As I want to try the full potential, I won't use this feature. Next, we have CFG scale. If you increase the value, it will be more relevant to the prompt. I will keep it at a moderate value. After that, set the aspect ratio. You can generate landscape, portrait, and square videos using Kling V2. Finally, we can add some negative prompts. For example, I am typing bad, ugly, low quality, unnatural shadows. Once everything is set, hit the Generate button. Kling AI has started its work, and it will take some time to generate the video. So, let's fast forward the video. And here it is. The video is ready. Let's have a look. Honestly speaking, the video is just amazing. Kling V2 generates a high-quality video with a very simple prompt. The detailing is outstanding. Even the water effects are perfect. Not a single glitch or unnatural movement in the video. This is too perfect. So you can create this kind of hyper-realistic video with a very simple prompt like this. I created another video with the same prompt and settings using the Kling V1.6 model, and you can see the result. Although the video quality is pretty decent, it failed to create the emerging effect. The character is already on the surface, while the V2 model generates a perfect emerging effect. I tried some other AI models, and I can say that Kling V2 is now the most capable AI video generator model at this moment. Alright, now let's create another version of the same video with a more detailed prompt. Simply click on More from here, and then select the Video Gen tool. Once the video generator pop-up appears, select the video generator model and then enter the prompts. I am entering a detailed ready prompt where I mention detailed information about the video, like subject, action, camera work, background, and style of the video. To find all the prompts, you can join our Discord channel. The link will be in the description. Okay, after entering the prompt, set all other settings, including CFG, ratio, and negative prompts. Once everything is set, hit the Generate button. And after waiting some time, I got this result. Look at the video. It's just amazing. The details are insane. The water ripple effect, fog effects, camera work, and lighting. Everything is just perfect. This is a perfect video without any issues. Okay, let's create another video but with more complex camera work and scenes. After entering the prompt, set all other settings, and then hit the generate button. And here it is, our video is ready. And look at the video. I won't say anything about this video clip. You tell me in the comment section how this was. If you love the result, like the video, and subscribe to our channel. Alright, now let's talk about the image to video generator feature of Kling AI. For example, I have this image, and now I want a video where a zombie will emerge from this door. So, what should I do? Open the video generator, select the video generator model. Now click here to upload the start frame of your video. Once the image is uploaded, enter the text prompt, defining what you want in the video. I am entering a ready prompt. You will get it in our Discord channel. After entering the prompt, set all the settings and then hit the generate button. And here it is, the video is ready. And you can see that it creates a perfect video as I wanted. So, now you can turn any image into a video like this. The video is very subtle and looks so professional. Okay, now let's try to generate an anime video using Kling V2. After accessing the Kling V2 video generator, come to the prompt box and then enter the prompt. For example, I want to generate a video in Ghibli-style animation. I am typing Ghibli-style animation and then entering a ready prompt. After that, set all the settings and hit the generate button. And here it is, the video is ready. Look at the result. It's a perfect Ghibli-style animation. The details of the video are so rich and the animation is just perfect. After trying Kling V2, I can say that Kling V2 is the most capable video generator model till now. Whether it's realistic or anime, this video generator surpasses all existing models. The only limitation I found is it can generate only 5-second long videos. Okay, if you want to generate the best videos, then you should try Kling V2. And if you are a heavy user of AI, then you should try the Abacus AI ChatLLM team. The link will be in the description. Alright friends, I will wrap up our video now. Before that, I would love to hear about your experience creating with AI. Share your thoughts and results in the comment section below. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tutorials like this one. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, happy creating.